Hi friends! On this video I want to show how I crochet a little anchor for my new gnome hat. I designed this bold hat with seam motif with this anchor. Now let's start. We will first make this circle part, then go down, make this little part, go here, make this part, then go here and make a little hole, do this part and go back to the base of our anchor. Let's start. For this one I want to sew with sea blue yarn. First make 16 single crochets in magic ring. One single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Here make slip stitch. From here chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll make 2 slip stitches. First slip stitch and the second slip stitch. This will be this little part. Now from here we'll chain 12 single stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now what we will do, we'll turn our work and from here first make 1 slip stitch and 1 half double crochet to the next single crochet. 1 half double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch on the base where we start chaining 3, slip stitch, and 1 half double crochet to the same single crochet where we make 1 half double crochet for this little part. Here we make 1 half double crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch to the base where we start to chain, and slip stitch to the same single crochet where we make 2 half double crochets. Now this is this first little part. Now make 5 slip stitches. We're going to the center. 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, 3, 4 slip stitch, and 5 slip stitch. And here we'll make the center part. We'll crochet 2 single crochets to the same stitch here. 1 single crochet and to the same stitch second. Here's how we make this part. Now we'll start to make this part. From here chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same way we'll make this part. 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet to the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch on the base, 1 half double crochet to the same stitch where we make the next slip stitch, and chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch on base, and 1 slip stitch to this hole. Now we'll go back with slip stitches, slip stitch, the next slip stitch, slip stitch, and here slip stitch. Now here is our center. Here is our center. You can make slip stitch or 1 single crochet to this same stitch where we make 2 single crochets. I will do 1 single crochet, and with slip stitches, 2 slip stitches, we are going to the top of our anchor, slip stitch, and here where we make this little part, make 1 slip stitch, here chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the second pass the 1, 2, and here make slip stitch, and 2 slip stitches till the top, 1 slip stitch, the next slip stitch, and we'll make to the hole, slip stitch, and finish our work. Cut the yarn, you can cut. Now hold this part together, and your anchoring is ready. Dear friends, thank you for watching this video and for wanting to make this cute sea decoration by Pampino Crochet YouTube channel. I will be happy to see your works on Facebook or Instagram. Please don't forget to credit Pampino Handmade as the designer.